the glycolysis, and so many enzymes are there, and substrates they convert to something else by enzymes. The things are boring and difficult, so I tried something new, and it's a very crazy weird, but it's something that you can remember easily. So this glycolysis starts from the glucose, ends with the pyruvate. So this is a journey. Consider this is a journey. You started from India and you ends with the Kuwait. Now why this is so, I will be explaining. Here you require to imagine. Imagination is the key here. So the thing is, first if you understand, glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. So you start your journey from India and you reach to China, and the Chinese people, they saw that you have glucose and they gave you 6 matchsticks. Matchsticks contain phosphorus, so 6-phosphate. So the thing is like this. You started your journey, but you required vehicle, so you taken a bicycle, and for the bicycle you paid some amount. Bicycle means hexokinase. Why it is hexokinase? Hexon, it's a cyclic structure. Kinase is a moving. So, and you spend some amount of money, means ATP is used. ATP is energy. So glucose, then you go there to China, where you have been given 6 matchsticks, so 6-phosphate. So first step is this hexokinase and glucose 6-phosphate. Then in the China, they told you have to go to Japan first. Then you said it's okay, and they said that bicycle requires special where in this fuel. And what they did is that they have used the matchsticks phosphorus, then added glucose and ice, 3 ingredients. So this is matchsticks phosphorus means phosphate, phosphor, glucose, gluco, and ice means isomerase. They use this fuel for the bicycle. And then you reach to the Japan. The Japanese people are very health conscious, so they saw that you have glucose 6-phosphate. They said glucose is not healthy. Instead of that, take a fruit. Now you have fructose 6-phosphate. Now in the Japan, you are in the Japan, and you have, instead of glucose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate. And they said that your mission is to reach to Egypt. And you said okay. Japanese people said, and they said that because it's a long journey, so we have to arrange your journey, and you have to pay some amount. You said okay, so you paid some amount. So ATP is used. Yeah, ATP is converted to ADP. And they said that now the fuel required is for your vehicle is it should be, you previously it was phosphorus, glucose and ice. Now they said that phosphorus okay, but instead of glucose you take fructose, fruit, and then you moved very fast. So phosphofructokinase. Then you race to Egypt, and when you race to Egypt, the Egypt people, they welcomed you by fructose, and they gave you 16 matchsticks in 2 set. So 16 means 1 6, 2 set means by, matchsticks means phosphate. And they gave you one doll. 16 matchsticks, fruit, 16 match, welcome you fruit by fruits, then 16 matchsticks in 2 set, and a doll, Aldos. Then your mission is something related with, because Egypt is famous for mummy, so it was told you to make something chemical which is used to preserve the mummies. And you said okay, so first you know that the corrosion happened because of oxygen, so you're thinking of removing the oxygen, so deoxy. Then you said that yeah, the acetone also can be applied there, and that should be covered with a phosphate. This is your theory, which is crazy, but for remembering this stuff, it's okay. Dihydroxy acetone phosphate. And you tried it, but it didn't work, and then you said, okay, this is not proper, so instead of this acetone and phosphate, I will be going to use glycerin. So glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, which worked. Everybody is happy. So this is to, they can be interconvertible. And you initially, when you try this method, you remove this by ice. So isomerase enzyme is there, which can convert this dihydroxyacetone phosphate to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So thing is that in the Egypt, you apply this glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate for preserving the mummies. And they said, Egyptians said that we are very happy. Now your next target is Eiffel Tower. You have to go there, France. And you said okay. And because they are so happy, so they gave you 2 unit of their currency. So this is NAD converts to NADH, energy. So 2 molecules are there. So 2 unit of their currency they gave to you. And they gave you tortoise. And they said that tortoise, now for the tortoise there is phosphate, matrix, and it's a food for that. It's crazy, but you will remember that. And because there is a lot of sand, and there is a dearth of water, so they give you dehydration, oral ORS. So tortoise, triose, mastic, phosphate, dehydration, dehydrogenase. Then you started your journey, a laborious journey. You reached to near to Eiffel Tower gate. Then the guard said, "Now you came late. You are unlucky." So unlucky means 30 number. It is actually not unlucky number, but for our purpose, it's okay. And it is considered unlucky, but it is not unlucky number. So 30 means 1 3. And he said, "Now do one thing. That bisphosphate, 2 set of mastics, you apply the glycerin to that, and then you keep it yourself, keep that, and you start your journey to America." You did not know why it is so, but he said so. And he said that America is very, very far away, and you require money, so take this money also. So he also gave you 2 unit of their currency. So this 2 molecule of NAD converts to 2 molecule of NADH. And for your journey, the stuff given is matchsticks and glycerin. He said that, matchsticks and glycerin, so that was their same. And you started your journey very, very fast. Then you gone to America. And when we gone to America, you reached America. Then you met their celebrity, say Elon Musk, and you say you shown him you have phosphor and glycerin, mastics and glycerin, and he said, okay, I require 3, so you gave to 3 to Elon Musk. You did not know why, but he asked, and then you gave to him 3 matchsticks. And Elon Musk used that phosphor, matchsticks and glycerin to form the mutated robots or something technology. And then he said, it didn't work. I required something else. I have to redo. So he then used just 2 this matrix and glycerin, that formulation. And when he did that too, then something crazy thing happened. From that robot's water came out. It's a very weird and very crazy thing, but that did happen. And then enoles means end. Everything stopped there. At stop there, and your journey stopped there. And all enoles. So what happened in the uh, America? The America, when you met to Elon Musk, he said that I required three that matrix having glycerin, and he used that to mutate his robots, phosphoglycerol mutates, but that didn't work. Then he tried that second time with the two mastics and glycerin, and everything end there. Your journey end there. And in the process, a lot of water was came out from the robots. It's a extremely crazy, but that I think because of this you will be remembering this. Then this phosphoenol. Then it is. He said that now everything is okay. Then that phosphorus was over. I mean, everything is used, and then the Elon Musk said to you that uh, now the final step is that you have to go to Kuwait pyruvate. So phosphorus is end here, stopped, over, phosphoenol, and you want to go. You have to go to Kuwait. And he said that I'm giving you money for that. 2 unit of money he gave. So 2 ADP converts to 2 ATP. Energy is gain. New energy, new molecule, energy molecule is formed. So your journey started very fast to Kuwait, the pyruvate Kuwait, sorry, pyruvate kinase, and because the richest man gave you money, so 2 ADP converts to 2 ATP, and the final year is to Kuwait, pyruvate. I don't know that it's a very crazy and difficult. I mean, the steps are difficult, but the story is something. It's a funny and it's a crazy. It's a weird, and it is having the essential parts of these steps. So you will remember this glycolysis, and it will be more funny also, easy also, compared to remembering all this stuff as it is. So try this, imagine this, and remember glycolysis cycle.